The purpose of this video is to identify and give a brief description of the capacitive touch control components installed in the Alto-Shaam Converge oven. We will be using this pictorial layout diagram to explain the capacitive touch components. This diagram is based off of the deluxe control used in the Converge oven. The diagram is subject to change, and the electrical schematic should always be used for actual electrical connections. To help the viewer of this video better understand the capacitive control, we will locate the components in the oven, give a brief description of each component, and then build the diagram. To build the diagram, we will start with the control board. The control board is located front and center in the electrical chassis. The control board is also known as the low voltage input and output board, or LVIO board. The control board receives commands from the interface board to energize or de-energize components in the oven as required. The service manual provides detailed information for the connectors, dip switches, and components mounted on the control board. The next component we will use in the diagram is the interface board. The interface board is mounted in the control panel behind the touch display. The image of the interface board shown in the electrical schematic and the diagram used in this video is rotated 90 degrees from its mounted position in the oven. The interface board and the control board communicate through the blue CAN bus cable. The service manual provides detailed information for the connectors, dip switches, and components mounted on the interface board. The Wi-Fi antenna is the only component connected to the backside of the interface board. The Wi-Fi antenna must be connected to the circular connector closest to the edge of the board. The single speaker installed in the oven can be plugged into either the J10 or the J38 connector on the interface board. The cable from the USB port is installed into the J1 connector. The on-off board is connected to the J21 connector. DC power is supplied to the interface board through the J12 connector. The capacitive touch control and the LCD display are connected to the interface board with two cables. The LCD and touch control panel are not user serviceable. For this video, these components will be replaced with an image of the control display. The control board communicates with the interface board to carry out the functions of the oven. The interface board interprets the inputs from the oven operator through the touch screen. For the purpose of the videos, the control board, interface board, and the touch screen will be referred to as the oven control. This completes the capacitive touch component identification video.